हाय डियर, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी मेलांज। सो आज का टॉपिक है विटामिन सी सीरम्स। सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड मेनी वीडियोज ऑन विटामिन सी सीरम्स बिफोर, सो व्हाई दिस वन? This video is special because here I have talked about many more options that you can try this winter, also some new launches as well as my all-time favorite vitamin C serums that actually work. So let's look at them. Plum 15% vitamin C serum. So this serum has 15% vitamin C जैसे कि लेबल पे लिखा है, and the form of vitamin C used in this serum is ethyl ascorbic acid, which can brighten your skin tone, giving you some amazing glow. At the same time, reduce minor dark spots or acne scars, etc. There is data from clinical studies to show that ethyl ascorbic acid can improve skin tone and brighten the skin. But if you have major pigmentation problems, then don't expect your pigmentations to vanish right away after using this vitamin C serum. This serum also has some other good ingredients like Kakadu plum extract, which itself contains some vitamin C, and also it's a good antioxidant. Other than that, it has rose and mandarin leaf extracts. अब ध्यान से सुनो, rose and mandarin leaf extracts are used, not their essential oils. Rose and mandarin essential oils are irritating to the skin, but not their extracts. These extracts can provide you with some antioxidant benefits. This serum is also fragrance free as well as essential oil free, and that's a great plus point, especially if you have sensitive skin. Having said that, अगर आपने इससे पहले कभी विटामिन सी यूज़ नहीं किया है तो फिर ये सीरम थोड़ा ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो सकता है आपके लिए. सो इन दैट केस, इंस्टेड ऑफ चूजिंग दिस सीरम, यू कैन चूज some other beginner friendly vitamin C serums with a lower percentage of vitamin C. For example, this minimalist vitamin C 10%. So guys, I have used this serum for a long time and I can say that this serum does work. The form of vitamin C used in this serum is also ethyl ascorbic acid, same as the plum vitamin C serum, and but only the concentration is lower, that is 10% in this serum. So as I was saying, this serum can and it will increase skin glow, also fade some minor acne spots or acne scars. But as for anti-aging benefits, I cannot say how effective these two serums are. That's because the form of vitamin C used, that is ethyl ascorbic acid, it's a fairly new ingredient in the market and it does not have many studies to confirm its anti-aging or collagen boosting benefits. It only has manufacturer studies that claim that yes, it provides anti-aging benefits, but other clinical studies, independent clinical studies are needed before we can say confidently that yes, this serum does work for anti-aging. So to sum up, both these serums are good for increasing skin's glow, but for anti-aging benefits, not well known yet. Sugandha VCIP serum 15%. So this is an oil based vitamin C serum and it has 15% VCIP or ascorbyl tetraisopalmitate. This form of vitamin C, it can brighten the skin as well as increase glow and even out the skin tone, and also reduce dark spots as well as sun damage. Some studies suggest that it can also increase collagen and hence reduce fine lines or wrinkles. However, it's not as well studied and proven as the pure vitamin C or L-ascorbic acid. But still, it's a very promising vitamin C derivative. Other than 15% VCIP, this Sugandha serum also contains jojoba seed oil, tomato fruit extract, squalane, etc. All these are very nourishing to the skin and also they can protect the skin. So guys, it's an oil based vitamin C serum, but it's very lightweight and it gets absorbed very quickly into the skin. विंटर सीजन में तो आप इसे यूज़ कर ही सकते हो, बट अगर आपकी स्किन बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऑयली है देन मैं आपको ये सीरम सजेस्ट नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि ये एक ऑयल बेस्ड सीरम है. अच्छा, और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात, इसे यूज़ कैसे करें? सो यूज़ दिस सीरम ऑन क्लीन स्किन बिफोर अप्लाइंग एनी अदर मॉइस्चराइजर और एनी अदर सीरम. दिस वे द विटामिन सी वर्क्स बेस्ट इनटू द स्किन. Almost all vitamin C serums should be applied on clean, bare skin. Moving on, next we have the Re-Equal C10 SAP serum. It's a very lightweight and water-soluble serum, specially suitable for people with oily, acne-prone skin. The vitamin C derivative used in this serum is sodium ascorbyl phosphate. Now, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, it can brighten the skin tone, it can also protect your skin from UV damage, and also sodium ascorbyl phosphate has a specialty. It can reduce acne, blackheads or whiteheads, etc. So oily, acne prone skin, you can definitely give this serum a try. Also, this vitamin C serum is very good for beginners who haven't used any vitamin C serum before. Chemist at Play Brightening Serum. So this serum contains a good 20% vitamin C serum in the form of, again, ethyl ascorbic acid. It's great for skin brightening and glow, but there is no proof of its anti-aging potential. Additionally, this serum also contains vitamin E as well as ferulic acid. They both can increase the efficiency of vitamin C, you know. So yes, quite a good vitamin C serum, but it can be a bit too strong for beginners because it has a good 20% of ethyl ascorbic acid. So honey, if you are new to vitamin C serums, then skip this one and choose some other vitamin C serum with a bit lower vitamin C content. Acha, so one more vitamin C serum you have told me about, the Pulp Vitamin C Serum. So this serum has 20% L-ascorbic acid, which is the pure actual vitamin C that is used up by the skin. L-ascorbic acid, although it's the most well-studied form of vitamin C, but it's also very difficult to formulate. अगर L-ascorbic acid सीरम को सही तरीके से फॉर्मुलेट नहीं किया गया ना, तो ये सीरम बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि द pH, स्टेबिलिटी, एवरीथिंग नीड्स टू बी करेक्ट, और ये हम बाहर से बता नहीं सकते. And ऊपर से they have not mentioned details like the pH of this serum. So it's very difficult to say how much this serum will work, but definitely you can give it a try. It has some very good ingredients like the kale extract, the ferulic acid, etc. And try it if you want. It will definitely provide you with some antioxidant benefits and also increase the glow of your skin. So which vitamin C are you using right now? Is it working for you? As for me, I have just finished using the Minimalist Vitamin C Serum and have started using the Sugandha VCIP Serum, and it's working for me. So thank you for watching this video. Take care of yourself and your family, and I'll see you soon with my very next video. Bye bye.